Hi Queensland parents, teachers and students. I'm Victoria Thompson and I'm the Commissioner for Fair Trading. The judging panel and I were so excited to receive all of the fantastic entries for the Buy Smart competition this year. It has been a real joy going through and seeing what Queensland students have come up with. As you may have heard, we're running the awards ceremony a little differently this year. In fact, we will be holding a virtual ceremony on our website where we will announce the winners of this year's competition. Winners from this year's competition will be receiving a share of up to $15,000 in prizes from themselves and their school. And if you didn't participate this year, why not join us anyway to see what the competition is all about? Make sure you don't miss out on the awards ceremony or our updates to our Buy Smart campaign. Be sure to follow us on social media channels and subscribe to our Buy Smart newsletter through our website.